Algorand. Algorand is a proof-of-stake blockchain cryptocurrency protocol. Algorand native cryptocurrency is called Algo. History. Algorand was founded by Silvio Misali, a professor at MIT. Algorand is composed of a company and a foundation. Algorand Foundation manages ecosystem growth, award funding, cryptographic, research primitive, on-chain governance, and decentralization of the Algorand network, including nodes. The core development of the Algorand protocol is overseen by Algorand Inc., a private corporation based in Boston. The Algorand test network was launched to the public in April, and the main network was launched in June. Algorand is the first carbon-negative blockchain. It announced it would be implementing the first smart contract to offset carbon emissions by allocating a portion of its transaction fee to offset emission. In May, FIFA announced that it had made Algorand its official blockchain partner. Research. The Algorand Foundation handles blockchain research for the project. It is led by cryptographer Tal Rabin. Guessing, Algorand is intended to solve the blockchain dilemma, the claim that any blockchain system can have at most two of their desirable properties: decentralization, scalability, and security. A system with all three could run on nodes which have only moderate consumer-grade resources, or i.e. does not need a data center or larger cluster of virtual machines, has transaction processing which scales with the total network resources or rather than the resources available per node, and could not be surveyed by attackers who individually process a larger fraction of the network's total resources. Consensus algorithm. Algorand use a Byzantine agreement protocol that converges proof of stake. As long as a supermajority of the stake is in non-malicious hands, the protocol can tolerate malicious users, achieving consensus without a central authority. Consensus on Algorand requires three steps to propose: confirm and write the block to the blockchain. The steps are proposed, soft vote, and certificate vote. The first phase or the block proposal phase use proof of stake principles. During this phase, a commit of user in the system is selected randomly, logged in a manner that is without to propose the new block. The selection of the commit is done via a process called cryptographic sortation, where each user determines whether they are on the commit by locally executing a variable random function or VRV if the VRV indicates that the user is chosen. The VRV returns a cryptographic proof that can be used to verify that the user is on the commit. The likelihood that a given user will be on the commit is influenced by the number of algo tokens held by that user or the stake. After determining a user is on the block selection commit, that user can build a proposed block and disseminate it to the network for review or analysis. During the second phase, the user includes the cryptographic proof from the VRV in their proposed block to demonstrate commit membership. In the second phase or the block finalization phase, a Byzantine agreement protocol or called BI is used to vote on the proposed block. In his second phase, a new commit is formed via cryptographic sortation. When users have determined that they are in his second phase voting commit, the analyst the proposed block they have received or include verification of first phase commit membership, and vote on whether any of the blocks should be adopted if the voting commit are Shiva's consensus.